So this year I've been able to make more than $60,000 from my online source of income. This is my first source of income I'm going to show you right now. So this is my first online source of income and I made $5,000, and this one is my second source of income, and this one I made like $1,000 only on this source of income. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can potentially start making up to $200 on a daily basis. And the good thing about this is that anybody around the world can do this, and I'm going to show you all the steps on how you can start making like serious money in 2024. Apart from me making more than $6,000 in this year, there are a lot of people who are making decent amount of money, and I'm going to show this person right here. He makes more than $1,000 like every month just by naming dog's name. And right now I'm going to show you how you can do this. Hi friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Hans David. I talk about side hustle, personal development, and how to make money online. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, so I've been on YouTube for more than like 6 years right now. I started YouTube in 2017, so I have a great experience, and I'm really happy to share with you what I'm going to show you right now, because I really hope that this is really going to help you and you're just going to make like a lot of money in the next year. So stay with me till the end of this video, and I hope that this video is going to help you very much. In this video I'm going to show you this trick that you can start making money without you even showing your face on YouTube or even putting your voice on these videos that you are just going to upload on YouTube. This is like the best trick, and I've seen a lot of people that are making decent amount of money just by doing that. You have to go on Google and write dog's name 2024, and after see all this list of dog names, you have to write down. You can just copy or write down all these names, and then after writing these names down, you're gonna have to create your YouTube channel, and you're gonna have to edit this video and write this dog's name, because there are a lot of people who are looking for dogs names. They just go on YouTube and they can search dog's name. With this type of videos, they get a lot of views. As I showed before, this person right here, he makes more than $1,000 a month just by writing dog's names. I'm going to show you this method that I'm using right now, and I think it should make me a lot of money. So I have this interesting channel idea, and this is what I'm trying right now. I have this channel, I'm posting about food, I'm posting about how to cook, how to bake and stuff like that. These channels, they get a lot of views. As many people, they need to know how to cook, they need to know different recipes. So if you are interested about cooking, if you're a woman or you're a man, you can just go ahead and try this idea. I'm going to show this person right here. He never showed his face on YouTube channel, but he makes more than $10,000 a month just by posting videos on how to cook this, how to cook that. This is like the best way that you can start making money in 2024. I know if you know how to cook, you just don't have to let your talent go away without monetize it, without making money out of it. So you have to go ahead and try and see how amazing this is going to turn around. You have to go on Google and write cute baby girls' name or cute baby boys' names. You can also write down all these names about boys, about girls. You have to edit a good video, then you have to post on YouTube. A lot of people, they're searching for cute baby girls' names. So if you do that, I guarantee you can make a decent amount of money, because video like this, they get like a lot of views, and you don't have to show your face, you don't have to put your voice. You can just write names and cute baby photos on the video, and end of the time you get a lot of views. So this is like our last YouTube channel idea. You can just create a YouTube channel and start talking about entertainment, and the good thing about this is that you cannot show your face, but you can just put your voice on these videos. You can start talking about popular artists. You have to do research about these popular artists, and you can start talking about them, and you can make money. The good thing about entertainment channels is that you can easier get views, because many people are searching about these popular artists, they search about these celebs. So it's way easier for you to get views. And I'm really sure about this because I've had multiple YouTube channels about entertainment, and this one, it has more than 600,000 subscribers, which I have until right now. I talk about celebs, I talk about gossip, I talk about a lot of things on this channel, and it gets like a lot of views, more than 1 million views a month or 2 million views a month, and sometimes I drop down up to 400,000 views. I think this is very good for you to start making money in 2024. And if you're going to try this, you have to just give yourself like 6 months of trying. And I always say this: if you really want to do YouTube, if you are really serious about YouTube business, you can just give yourself like 1 year of posting every single week. At the end of the time, you can see the result. I guarantee you, if you're just going to post good content, you're just going to post every single week, you will see result. I promise you. I've had multiple YouTube channels and I have experience on how you can do this. If you're willing to dedicate your time, if you're willing to be consistent on this platform, you can start making decent amount of money. The problem about this platform is that many people are giving up. They're not ready to sacrifice their time. They're not ready to sacrifice at least 8 months or 9 months. Just imagine that you are at college and you're having this course, so you have to learn that course at least 6 months or 8 months for you to get employed. So you have to treat YouTube the same. You just have to imagine that you are still in college and you are studying, so you have to take at least 1 year without expecting anything from YouTube. At the end of the time, this platform is going to reward you for not giving up. I really encourage you to do that, because my entertainment channel, it has made me more than $5,000 without me showing my face. I just put my voice on these videos and post on YouTube, but I really never showed my face on this channel. But it has made me more than $5,000. And right now I'm trying this channel about food. I'm posting different food on this channel. I hope that it's going to do very well, but I'm just giving it like 6 months or 8 months from now, and I will keep update you how my channel is going. So you have to go ahead and try this channel to see how much you're going to make on these channels ideas that I've mentioned on this video. Thanks so much. I hope to see you next time. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. My name is Hans David.